Hey guys, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to go over a product that we're putting on the website today. So this is a FE 450, but this applies to TE's FE models and the FE 350W model, also the KTM XCW, XEFW, XFW models. Any ones that come with this push button switch. So what's happening is these switches fail. So we have one of our push button switches, and what you're going to do is just unplug that guy there, plug this in, and then this switch is just going to go in the turn signal hole right there on the side of the mask. Replace that. These guys are on back order because they're failing constantly, so be on the website today. I recommend using a little bit of glue Loctite on the threads on here when you thread this in here. That way the cap doesn't rattle off. So just wanted to show you guys this and show you how to install it. Thanks for checking it out.